Dole Paul la buotep kotomono tem loko guo loko district loka kalaki nesda pedo ai wela nar kirada muna nara darachan wegiti gita nude ruchon kinete Itunga lusit kotomono tem kalong ara do tu chapaka nara darachan wegiti gita ida ina kwani Itunga ipone lolo sit sera iborene tiono erado kwana aimo aitor kotomono sama iche lumamda idulosi
rotolos le la polo ni ngara ti sonno to mardige bo singa kera nyama ker na pugan ker raro to le litore na Itunga kera e business ker nyon so tubalo samo gwamu go tuboko na ker roto lingara so e dolo sadie bana anu auru mama ni torbo so di mara roto le polo ngara kete so ikota sapu gano bu ngara kasero to lo duko ko sa dukon keda suwa kalbate mame goete pereta pere keda kiti duko la pono dukere roto lo mama rai borno pono dukere to lo keda tawla mina
anga kwa pugan nenwa kede yoni doko nante mare di yo duberaman ka foto bine di e pakar de amano danga kwa pugan konywa
akaka leli boro ko ne kere bala da so chetu na cheriebo mameni tore ra joker eba li kota so bitemo ni roti amunara che mamete to ne pone idwele somero ebu alele ngine ma epone tuo to dwe so erot komerada ngiri na toro ne penen tora ipi ufon.
We are facing many challenges in this road. One, it has blockers on our transporting our goods from here up to Tiboi. The vehicles cannot pass, motorcycles, bicycles, and even footing. You cannot manage to foot. The road was constructed. It was again like this. The second time the government constructed this road, the same thing. The third time now, the same thing is happening. So the government should try maybe to get some metals.
LCC loke tem loko guolo George William Monge Salim da hebation ki kwani ketunga aruchon kin kedai boishun wegitigita ai morari tonida alosti or district local Lebtong.
Our major road as a sub-county that connects us to Lebtong and also Dokolo. The two bridges of Akum and Asurambaya are completely washed away, and it has disconnected us now from Lebtong district. And also my parish of Angoltok, they now find it difficult to connect to the sub-county and other places. Also the other community access roads that we used to have, one bridge has been washed away, and it has also locked some part of Lebtong and also other areas that connect us. So the major challenge now is the transport system actually is not okay now in my sub-county. This road was recently worked on, but the problem that I've seen is that this issue of putting concrete culverts, I think it will not work for this road. I prefer now metallic pipes to be put in this road, especially in Asurambaya, because it has ever washed it in almost every year when rains come.
Roto lenyo uni ageu kotomona balang itori damaka na lositon Surambaya nese depet kotomono rotin lada pono otama aitemo ni tosoma iti milionin akwata uni kedi sirigin lude nyon tos kotomono yape silo ke ministry ko tesa affairs kunye monyet nese ringe jai ebe mami tosoma iti sirigin lu e jok ai ngi tes de ringe ja losti akonyo kotomono roto kalo kututu kedi tosoma ilo kada isirigin kunye ngar no koluke district se balas da beringas ke sotas aitrot ai ngi tete kenye ka letolom ne reporter kututu keda tiokisio nura ataka nutu kotomono road kalong erada ai gwap irotin kotomna ibosha no alwaka kanuka dolere ai boystine yapie Michael Onyinge TV East Kokalaki District.